last time we were together, we were at the YMCA swimming. All right, welcome back. Race Ready Road to Boulder, episode 18. For those who are new, this is my journey and Adley's journey to our first half Ironman in Boulder, Colorado, June 8th, which is 3 days away. I have ran a full Ironman in October, so I am experienced. Adley is not so experienced. This is his first time. Right now it is 93 degrees and it is hot. I am in Los Gatos. I'm about to do a hyperbaric chamber, get my lungs opened up, get some oxygen into my body, into my muscles. When I get home, I'm going to do some swimming, the last swimming in a pool. I'll definitely do some swimming in the reservoir on Friday. And I'm going to do a cold plunge when I get home. Unfortunately, because it is 93 degrees outside, the cold plunge is not going to feel shocking. It's going to feel refreshing. And at 8 o'clock in the morning in Boulder, Colorado, the reservoir is not going to feel refreshing. It's going to feel shocking. So I wanted to do the ice cold plunge to kind of get my body prepared for this ice cold swim. So hyperbaric chamber, here I come. Swimming, here I come. Ice plunge, here I come. And Boulder, Colorado, here I come.
Make sure you have all your personal...
All right, welcome back. I am here in Colorado. Today's plan, I'm gonna meet Adley at 11 o'clock. And today is mandatory bike check-in. So I'm gonna check in our bikes at 11 o'clock. And then sometime around 11:30 noon, Adley and I, we would like to get a swim in the reservoir, see how the water is, how murky it is, how cold it is, all that good stuff. And today's workout just to kind of get, the body going, get the blood heart rate going. The good news is being here for a day, and so far a day today, and then today will be a whole day, and then tomorrow at the race, I'll have been here for 2.5 days, and that's good my body is acclimatized to the altitude, although it's not going to be too high in altitude where we're racing. I checked the altitude yesterday and it was only 5,000 feet. So it's lower than Lake Tahoe, which is good. And after our swim, I am going to do a hyperbaric chamber. I was out to lunch yesterday when I registered, and I saw a Restore Wellness. So I had to schedule an appointment for another hyperbaric chamber, get my lungs opened up even more. I had an appointment before I came, and now while I'm here, I'll do another appointment. So I'm very excited. Cool thing is staying here with Andy and Diane in Colorado, and I'm very thankful for them having me. They were clients of mine for at least 20 years, which is mind-boggling, the fact that I've been doing this for that long. And they moved to Colorado, and their basement is a huge gym. So this is influenced by all the things that we did for 20 years. It has slowly grown in the 20 years, but the most important thing in this whole gym, everything is awesome, but the most important thing is the power plate. So I didn't bring my compression boots because I knew that there was a power plate here. So the power plate is going to be my friend for recovery and for preparation. So as I warm up my body with the power plate, I will see you guys at the Ironman Village in the next video. All right, here we are, mandatory bike check-in here with Andy. Say hi, Andy. Hi. So we're here checking in, carrying my bike because I'm not trying to get it all dirty and dusty so early. That's for tomorrow. All right, see you guys soon. All right, there's my bike, 386. I'm next to some professionals. Look at these bikes, they're so beautiful. I'm here just the little rookie. Ooh. So the last time we were together, we were at the YMCA swimming. Now we're the day before.
Gotten a little bit better since then.
Yeah, now it's the day before the race. We're gonna test our swimming abilities out in the open water. And we're gonna test the visual, test the temperature, and the comfort of swimming in the lake. All right, we'll see you soon. You have anything to say? Any
No, just
last
excited.
words?
Just excited. It's been a ride.
Yeah. All right, see you guys soon. Race day.
Race day.
Yeah.
Feeling good.
Big old line. Hour and a half away from race start. Excited?
Yeah, looking forward to it. Ready to get the bike all good.
There you go.
And I've been eager for like a week. I'm just ready to get in the water.
Yes. I'm ready to get this water over with. After the water, it's like, okay, all downhill
Yeah,
from there.
time to bike.
All right, see you at the transition area. All right, it's time to get changed to the suit. Here with my neighbor. Yes, another neighbor here. And we'll see you guys at the end of the race.